How to turn off or on suggest your account to your Facebook friends on TikTok. Now, hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off or on suggest your account to your Facebook friends. It's easy. First, just open TikTok now and then click on your profile here in the bottom corner and then click the three lines, and once you're here click this one, privacy, and here we'll find suggest your account to others, and here is it, Facebook friends. You can turn it on or off, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.